Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good everywhere. Depends on your location at the moment. Okay, on this video, I want to quickly teach us how to go, when you do videos, how to get on TikTok. When you do live video on TikTok, okay, how to go back and get your replay so that you can upload it. Because some people, they don't know how to do it. So I'm here to teach us how to go and get your replay and upload it on your profile or your page on TikTok. So here we go. This is my page, all right? So here, you go tap on these three dots on the right-hand side. When you go there, here, it brings out this section. All right, on this section, you're going to carefully tap on settings and privacy. After clicking on settings and privacy, you're going to take you here. All right, there, you see here. So now you're going to click on live. All right, because it was live video. It will now bring this section out. When you get here, click on live replay. Not live event. Live event is when you have to program your calendar, maybe for birthday or other stuff. All right, not subscription. It's live replay. Click on live replay. All right, you see all the videos that I've made today. I made this one this morning. So they're going to carefully highlight them. This one are auto cut. This one are highlights, okay? All you need to do when you get here, right? All you need to do, click on here. Like that one now.
It's
right?
safe. You know how you use it.
I was just making this
use
video
it carefully because money is not easy to get nowadays.
So you can click
so
next.
that is the reason
it's uploading. Depends on your
it's
settings.
Safe. You know how you use it.
Mine now. Look at that.
Use it
you
carefully because money is not easy to get nowadays.
Right now, all you need to do.
So that is the reason why you
click on next. Add a cover. If you like to add a cover from your gallery. If you don't have a cover, leave it like that. All right, and then title here is already almost done itself. I just add a little bit to it, like my own profile name, TikTok affiliate marketing, and showcase. Sorry guys, I have some code, that's why. And then TikTok live, right? And then if you want to add it on playlist, if you have playlist, click on playlist like so, affiliate marketing, because you have to title it. If you want me to make video on that playlist, how to set it up, let me know. Okay, so you can go and add a link. All right, if you want to go and add a link, go click on your link and add it, right? And then you click on post.
You have to be careful.
It's gone.
Using it so that it can last for you.
Other thing you could do, you could download it. You could download this video here, like that.
So that's that.
Okay,
see,
it will be downloading and then it goes straight to your gallery. That's how
go on my
you
showcase.
Your
please go on my showcase and get yours now.
After making live video on
showcase,
TikTok. If you enjoy this video,
basket,
give me a follow, save, like, and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on this video. Thank you very much. Have a beautiful day.